Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The average cost to install a dishwasher is $200, with most homeowners spending between $185 and $225 for just the labor. However, your installation may require modifications to plumbing, wiring, or countertops, which could raise your cost up to $485, depending on what needs to be done.
Let's help you make your mark.
Free local appliance delivery doesn't include installation of dishwashers, over-the-range microwaves, drop-in ranges, wall ovens, surface units, cooktops, gas dryers, air conditioners, water heaters or built-in refrigerators. Installation available for additional fees. See a store associate for details.
Let's help you make your mark.
The project doesn't require any advanced plumbing or electrical skills. Installing a dishwasher successfully does require the proper know-how and equipment, including a dishwasher installation kit that has a 90-degree fitting and water supply line. This guide outlines how to install a dishwasher.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Home Depot is your store for top brand appliances, delivery and installation. Customer service and purchase information. Qualifying purchases include refrigeration, laundry, dishwashers, cooking appliances and HDPP, in addition to installation and parts, accessories that accompany Depot direct purchases.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Replacing an existing dishwasher is a relatively easy job, provided you've measured up correctly and your new dishwasher fits in the space under your bench. All the infrastructure you need, power, water, drainage and space, are already in place.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Typically, standard dishwasher replacement will take 1 to 1.5 hours to complete the work, from removing existing to installing and testing a new dishwasher. Additional plumbing and electrical work will consume extra time, but even complex replacement shouldn't last longer than a few hours.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.